So good. If you guys had any superpower, what would it be?
I would say to fly.
I would want to be able to climb up walls.
What's your spirit animal?
I would definitely be a cheetah because I want to be the fastest in the jungle.
I would obviously be a unicorn.
I'd be a dolphin because I love swimming. So if you guys were stuck on a deserted island, what 3 things would you bring?
Easy. A good book, pickles, and a private jet to get off said island.
I would bring food, music, and Ian Somerhalder because he is so fine.
I would bring food, Wi-Fi, and my laptop.
I'd bring a pen and notebook that comes together, so that's one, so I can write out my thoughts and my feelings. A good red lip because everyone needs that no matter where you are. And Dorothy Milone music on my iPad.
Hey! Well, I would bring some of these ICEYs. Hello!
Oh, yeah.